Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kementeri Badai Pet Ya Karep Karyang ke Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lingdo mentakasngi ke arpu arteri unaitung arjara arpu sao habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin ke Jingeh kendo bat Nongdie jong ke sang FKJGP bat ru kikin hon jong ke Nongdie Jhur kala ong bakum kementeri hadin bakala sngap ye ke Jingeh thu jong ki kala Kular bakan salum ye ke Jingïalang bat kitenat bapher na kabenta banyak keren Kekong Ampareen kala benrap ru de baong basyen kan salum ya ka Jingïalang banyak keren na kaliang jongka kum kementeri jong karep karyang bat kan shimru ikilat kilenti bakanam don ka jing syakta habaro kiliang lakadai ya unong rep lani ya kinong thi
colleagues and deputy CMs of transport and of the police department where they wanted a consult on the exemption of vehicles carrying vegetable produce of especially indigenous products from in and around the state. So I am not an authority to talk to them about the issuance of any challan. I am not the correct authority, so I have told them that I will again seek further advice from both the transport department and the police department on this matter because I am not an authority to discuss this. And if any challan or exemption of any challan has to be initiated in the state to exempt our indigenous produce from our farms, then I need to be properly advised on this matter. And we also need to seek the advice of the district council. Because at the end of the day, it is the district council that will be also lending us whatever support and suggestion. So very clearly, I will seek for a consult, and I have told them that yes, it is important that we assist both the farmers and the traders of farm products to organize it in a proper manner so that all parties prosper collectively. This is something that the government has to do. We are anyways deciding to initiate the review of our marketing boards and their functioning. Right now we have one marketing board which is a centralized board. We need to decentralize this also and make sure that we have marketing boards all districts. We are now looking at the initiation of prime hubs. Now prime hubs are to be a unanimous decision taken by farmers and sellers. We'll sit, we'll discuss, and at every district let this collective representation be formed by the stakeholders themselves in the respective districts. Because if we have to even decide about minimum price support, we don't even have a system in place in the state of Meghalaya. So if you have to do something, you initiate a proper discussion, initiate a proper dialogue, and all voices should be heard. It is not a domination of just one voice. And we are concerned because at the end of the day, both the farmers and the sellers or the traders are our own indigenous people only. So for the good of everyone, if there is a demand that there should be exemption of toll bridge challans of these producers, let's find out if it's possible for such reports. We don't have the authority. If any such allegation is there, they should all be routed through proper channel. Minister should only listen how best can we better the business of both the farmers as well as the traders. It cannot be a one-sided representation. Everybody will be given an opportunity. And one should not forget that we have the district council also who has stake in this matter. Government will not be able to take decision about these matters without proper consultation. I have assured them a consultation. Let me first be educated on this matter myself. I am not aware of the complexities around me. I am beginning to understand them. But I need clarity. And I will sit with the Honorable Deputy CMs, both of them, to be further guided on this matter. Let me not say in helping them or not helping them. I'm saying there is a problem. We have to be seized of the problem first. They have met with the two Deputy CMs. I will also take guidance. Now that they've met me, and I have been hearing that there is this big gap between sellers, traders, buyers. So we will see, we will figure this out. I am just at the initial stage of calling all stakeholders on board. Let me first get properly briefed. The fact that they sat with both the Deputy CMs who had asked them to then meet me. And I had very clearly said that we are not an authority for decision of waivering of any weighbridge for any group of individuals. I can only appraise myself. So I will sit for the meeting and I will also call the district council. That I have told them. We have to make sure that this entire concern for welfare of farmers is addressed, which is the department I hold. And I'm willing to do that. I will call and I will let you know, and I have anyways sought more advice on this matter. I cannot operate single-handedly on this matter. Like I told you, transport is under the purview of another department. Police is under the purview of another department. And government will have to take a collective call. I am simply going to initiate a discussion to see whether that will be possible or not. What is the kind of challan that is also circulating in the market today, I am unaware of. I only know that the district council also has a law. They've enacted an act. We cannot step on jurisdictions of the government, whether at the district council or at the state government. Make sure we're all on the same page, and I will do just that. And I will brief them accordingly. Jump the gun. Nothing can be decided. It's not me who will decide who's the authority for a challan of any matter. I am not the authority. But yes, if it affects my farmers and their income, it is my duty to make sure that I initiate the correct approach, which is what I'm willing to do. Let me first get proper briefing from my senior in the cabinet, and we will take a call collectively.